If your chainsaw's cutting slow, stop, don't replace the chain yet. You can get it razor sharp again in just a few minutes. First, make sure the saw's steady. Pick one cutter and mark it with a pen. This stops you sharpening the same tooth twice. Now the sharpening. You can use just a round file, but a file holder keeps your angle spot on. Line up the guide marks and push the file through in smooth forward strokes. Never file on the way back. Lift off, reset, and keep it consistent. How do you know it's sharp? Look at the edge. If it reflects light, it's dull. No light, it's sharp, as there's no surface to reflect off. Work your way around, flip the saw, repeat on the other side. Done.